Can gardening reduce stress? Gardening has been associated with stress relief, and many people say that gardening helps them relax and recover from the hassles of everyday life. Studies show that individuals who performed only gardening activities for more than 60 minutes per week had 66% less chance of primary cardiac arrest than individuals who were physically inactive. In another study, subjects were asked to perform a stressful task and then asked to either perform 30 minutes of gardening or 30 minutes of reading. While both groups experienced a decrease in cortisol, the stress hormone, the gardeners experienced a significantly greater decline in stress as well as a full restoration of positive mood. The readers actually experienced a further decline in mood. Contact with nature is related to lower mortality from stress-related diseases and stronger recovery from acute and chronic stress. Even viewing pictures of a garden or green spaces is known to reduce cortisol levels. Higher and more prolonged levels of cortisol in the bloodstream, such as those associated with chronic stress, have been shown to have negative effects, such as impaired cognitive performance, suppressed thyroid function, blood sugar imbalances such as hyperglycemia. Many of life's demands can cause stress, particularly work, relationships, and money problems. And when you feel stress, it can even affect everything you do. Starting a garden in your balcony or even a few planters on your windowsill can help reduce your stress. Want help to start a garden? Get in touch with us at urbanmali.com or call us at 888-0482-000. Your friendly neighborhood gardener is waiting for you.